Hello everyone, I'm Louis, Senior Market Strategist for Floater Markets. Right, so today I'll be doing a summary on our weekly market report and what to look out for FOMC tonight. So we saw that the stocks and US equity futures actually fell pretty badly recently, and due to the Hong Kong property developers saga and of course the jitters ahead of the FOMC that's expected to hint at moving towards tapering stimulus at the end of the year. So we saw that the 10-year Treasury yields have risen ahead of the Fed meeting this week, where policymakers are expected to start laying the groundwork for powering stimulus. And aside from the Evergrande saga and the prospects of reduced Fed stimulus, the financial markets also face risks from uncertainty over the outlook for President Joe Biden's $4 trillion economic agenda, as well as the need to raise or even suspend the US debt ceiling. So the US investors fretting over a slowing global recovery from the pandemic and inflation stoked by commodity prices. So there are a lot of downside risks that is happening currently to the global economy. But then what we saw that worsened this situation was that there was a string of surprises due from the negative data coming from US consumer spending, sentiment data, August jobs report, which came in well below the most pessimistic forecast. And of course, we also saw a hurricane that disrupted the supply shortages and energy prices. So all this negative data, right? We feel that FOMC will likely attribute the weakness to temporary factors, while acknowledging the downside risk that this weak data is contributing. So, but nonetheless, we feel that the September statement will likely be the first time since the pandemic began that the FOMC includes language about plans to taper the stimulus. So we feel that dollar will likely continue to rise for tonight's meeting, and of course gold could actually get a slight hit. And of course for the US indexes or indices, we feel that they'll continue to remain weak, which from what we saw for the last 2 days, they are already falling pretty drastically, but we don't see any time for a reversal soon. All right, so that's all for our summary of our FOMC. All right, hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.